Morning, students. Today is the eighth part of this chapter, that is Principle of Inheritance and Variation. In this part, we will cover about sex determination, how sex is defined in different organisms and different individual. Yes, sex determination was identified by mainly Hankins during the spermatogenesis of some insect. 50% of the sperm receive specific structure, and 50% of sperm did not receive that specific structure. He gave the name to structure, that is X body. Starting initial days, he gave the name X bodies. Later, this X body is renamed with X chromosome. Now, different type of sex determination techniques are used and identified. So first sex determination technique is XXXO. This sex determination technique is used in grasshopper. In grasshopper, grasshopper contain 12 pair, that is 24 chromosome, and male has only 23 chromosome. Means one chromosome is missing. This missing chromosome is expressed with 0 or O. All egg bear one X chromosome. All egg all egg bear X chromosome, and some sperm contain one X, and 50% of sperm do not contain any chromosome, that is XO. 50% contain X and 50% O. Egg fertilized with sperm having X chromosome become female. Means if the egg, that is X, is fertilized with X chromosome, then it will lead to formation of female. But when egg, that is X, fused with the sperm without X, or you can say 0 or O, then the fusion of this egg and sperm will produce male. Yes, this next type is XXXY type. This sex determination will take place in insects and mammals. In this type, both male and female has same number of chromosome. Female has autosome and as well as contain a pair of chromosome known as XX. Female has XX chromosome and male has XY both. So male is heterogamety. What is heterogamety? When the male will produce two different type of gamete, then it is known as heterogamety. And when the individual will produce a single type of gamete, then it is known as homogametes or homogamety. Yes, next is ZZ and ZW type. This sex determination will take place in birds. In this type, female birds has two different sex chromosome. In this type, female birds have two different sex chromosome named as Z and W. Male birds have two similar sex chromosome named as ZZ. In this type of sex determination, female is heterogamety. In this type of sex determination, female is heterogamety and male is homogamety. Means female produce two different type of sex chromosome, that is Z and W, and the male is homogamety, that is it will produce only a one type of single type of gamete, that is ZZ. So this is all about in today's lecture. This is a very important topic, that is sex determination. So thank you.